give you, and this is zinc plus chlorine yields zinc chloride. If you see here, this is just zinc. This is just zinc. There is nothing else here. It's just zinc. Zinc is just sitting here. That's just number one. That has nothing to do with it. And there's chlorine, and there's a 2 here. That means there's a 2 subscript of 2, and that means that there are 2 chlorines. Now, there's no number in front of here. Not one number in front of here. So that means there's no coefficient. So that means there's 2 chlorines. So there's 1 zinc. There's a coefficient of 1 is actually understood even though there's nothing there. So this means 1 coefficient. So 1, if I could put it there, which you never see a coefficient when there's a 1. I'm just putting it here to show you that if there was a 1 here, that would be 1 times 2. Okay, if there was a 1 here, that would say that I have 1 zinc, and then over here, I would have 2 chlorines. One zinc, and then over here, 2 chlorines, okay? That's what that would mean, okay? So let's do another one. See, that's what that means, but we never show the 1. It's just not shown. So I'm going to do one that is a little bit harder, just a little bit more challenging, okay? And I'm going to make it all blue. Now, if you look here, you see a 2 coefficient. Whenever you have a 2 in front of the compound, that means you have coefficient. The chemical formula is H2S, but the coefficient is just 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 hydrogens. Okay, that's what I have, 4 hydrogens. Now, I have 4 hydrogens because there are 2 times 2 hydrogens. Now, if I was to look at how many sulfurs I have, see there's an S here for sulfur, but there's an understood little subscript of 1, even though it's not there. So I have 2 times 1. So 2 times 1 is 2 sulfurs. Now look at the next one. Here's a 3 in front of the oxygen. This is a 3 in front of the oxygen. So this 3, see these purple, I'm going to make these all purple. This 3 in front of the oxygen, it means that you have 6 oxygens. 6 oxygens, okay? Because I have 3 times 2 is 6, okay? So that's why I have 6 oxygens, okay? Now let's look at the next one over here. If you look over here, there's a 2 in front of the SO2. The SO2 is the chemical formula, but the 2 is actually a coefficient. So these are coefficients, and these are subscripts. Coefficients are the large numbers, subscripts are the small numbers. So we have a coefficient of 2. 2 times 1, what's 2 times 1? 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 2 sulfurs. And how many oxygens over here? Let's see. Whoops, missed that. 2 sulfurs. And right here, just going to put it over here, we have 4 oxygens. Okay? I'm going to put 4 oxygens right under here. Right under here. Oops, it's not working out the way I want it. It's not working! Ah! Okay, so anyway, I have 4 oxygens. 2 times 2 is 4, so that's 4 oxygens. On this side, we have 4 hydrogens and 2 oxygens. Yay, we did it! I'm spending more time trying to figure out how to write it in here. You just multiply by the coefficient. Just don't forget that this large number is the coefficient, and this large number you multiply. You multiply 2 times 2 is 4 hydrogens, and then 2 times 1 is 2 oxygens. And that's how you do it, okay? So hopefully that makes sense for you, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.